Hello, we're going to take a look at ghcrawl. So we're going to spin up the local UI, and you can see we have it using, and we're going to spin up the PNPM packages. Okay, so we're going to open a repo. Going to open a repo over here too. All right, and this is pulling from our local SQLite database. You'll see this version has a little bit of a hang. It's not going to the detail tab. This one has that fixed. That'll be published shortly as a version after 0.2.0. So here we can just explore the clusters that we have, and we can see this one is actually not a great cluster. Not actually all spam. This one is definitely all spam. 27 issues. Okay, so now we're going to use the ghcrawl skill, which you can install with npx skills add power driver / ghcrawl. So here we're going to say $ghcrawl. Let's look at the top size clusters. What repo are we in? Does it know? I think it'll figure it out. All right, so it's not going to use GitHub and OpenAI credentials. It's just going to use the local database. And it's pulling some clusters, getting the top 15. All right, what do we got here? Ooh, that's some nice UI reflow. Okay, so we have some potential real issues, 74. Oh, let's take a look at the terminal UI. Yep, 74, 43, 32, 27, hike, I guess, 19, 15. Yeah, so this all looks real. That's good. And why don't we say, let's explore. Let's find out if this looks like real spam and not just a poor grouping before we decide to close that group. By the way, there's no tools in this skill that will close groups. Those will integrate with other skills that we already have. All right, so it's grabbing details about it. It's able to get the bodies of the members up to a limit. So it says it's confidently spammy and self-promotional. It's all by the same user. They're advertising like a WeChat group. And yeah, that's it. I hope you like it. If you combine ghcrawl into other skills for managing pull requests and issues, you avoid the possibility of Codex not being able to retrieve enough data, or Codex being able to retrieve enough data but getting itself rate limited by GitHub's API. So ghcrawl carefully manages, using OctoKit and some additional backoff, ensuring that we comply with GitHub's rate limits. So we can pull all the data down. Then we create embeddings using OpenAI. It costs about 50 cents to run it on this repo with 12,000 issues in it. Then we create the clusters, and then we just do the exploration and the reporting. And we can explore and report using the skill and using the CLI and the terminal UI all day long, and it won't hit GitHub or OpenAI anymore. So it won't cost you anything to explore. That's it. Thanks.